Hello and Yahweh. My name is Robert Nakasoni, and as part of the youth, I think that it's important to keep up with the news that's happening so far. With everything that we've been through last year, and with everything that we're going through now this year, it's important that we focus on vaccinating ourselves and teaching about the vaccination to our family, friends, loved ones to keep us safe and keep us going.
Atain ailing ngakuchon Jodrikdrik chojum bug vaccine.
Hi, my name is Hallie Palenka. I live in Springdale, Arkansas. I urge everybody, even parents and the youth, to take the vaccine. Why? Because our future is depending on it. Thank you.